Hi, today I'm gonna do a recipe with eggplant, stuffed eggplant, and with potatoes. Melanzane Ripiene con patate. This recipe is a very old recipe, Pugliese recipe. My mother used to do me aunty, so it's very old recipe. And at least once a year, I like to have this recipe because I love so much. No minced meat, no rice, just the actually in cover of the eggplant will mince fine and some breadcrumbs, which is in Italian they call it mollica. Not the crust, just the inside of the bread. Homemade bread better, so you break the bread really, fine, and then we're gonna mix everything together. So the way to do, just with the knife you gotta clean the stalks and everything, like this. Then I say I'll cut here, like that. When you do this, prefer fried eggplants. The other one was a bit crooked, so nice and fried eggplant. So when I dig all that stuff out, and then I gotta mix with all breadcrumb and everything else. This plug will push me in, and will seal everything. And then you put the 3 toothpicks in to all the stuff popping out. Now you got to enchive. At the beginning, I just do with a knife like this, and then you grab a spoon and just dig the inside out all the time. Do around like that. See that? You don't want to go too much because the wall is probably between 7 and 8 millimeters. The secret that if you take too much and then when you cook they can blow out. So see they gotta have a bit support. So that's the way you do. So I dug all the inside out. Now I'm gonna chop it a bit smaller. After I've done it, they all chopped them up. If there is, I gotta squeeze if there is a bit of a juice. But these eggplants are pretty sweet. Some they all variety a bit bitter. The old variety you soak them after you've done this. You soak them in a bit of water, salt for 5-10 minutes, and they get the bitterness out. And then you squeeze. But this one, I'll see what happens. So you get the bit of juice there. Do it real hard. Look. See, look at that. See? Now I'm going to break the eggs so I can beat them. We've got about 5 eggs. Now beat the eggs. And parsley. Just chop the tomato small pieces, fresh, yes. I'm going to leave this to put in the pan after. Some garlic, some pepper, some grated cheese. This is the actual, it's a sourdough bread, the inside of bread. In Italian they call it mollica. Some chopped onions, some salt, and mix everything up. I always love this one. Like I said, once a year, I just like the flavor. It's no minced meat, nothing. It's very healthy. Yeah, this is the last of our eggplants this year. You need to just put a little pinch of salt. Now I'm filling them up. So now I'm gonna set them in the pot like that. The ideal, if you had a smaller pot, it would have been better. That doesn't matter. See, now I've got potatoes here. I've got about 6 potatoes here, which I'm going to pack them around, and they'll stop the move. On each one, I'll put a bit of cheese. Extra virgin oil. See, they'll soak in. And plus you put some in the water. On each one I'm gonna put a plug in. See, like that. Actually, I've got to get the proper one, isn't I? And put toothpicks here, so the top can pop out. You just push them in angle, 45 angle, from top to the bottom. I had to change the pot because it's a little bit pot, unless I had another couple of eggplants to put them aside. So in this case I'll have to change. Okay. As you see the size of this pot, it's about half wire. Half wire with the eggplants, I mean. Now I've got just a bit of tomato left from the filling. Put them in. And also this filling, you can put some on top like that. And they'll give a really nice flavor. That's it. All done, the cheese in, everything. Just a bit like that. Now this goes on the stove for there, on the gas. This will probably take 3/4 of an hour to cook. Now because we've got one eggplant too higher than a pot, this is what you do. You get another pot, and this is perfect fit. Look at that. That's it. Maybe 3/4 of an hour. Well, at the moment it's on high because I want to bring it to boil. Once it boils, we reduce the flame medium. That's the thing. When the potato is cooked, because the eggplant is pretty soft, the potato takes more long. So when potato ready, it's ready. So the recipe that we done tonight, you know, the stuffed eggplants, so I had some left over. And what I done, I stirred them in the fritters. I just had another egg, because you need, to bond, and a bit of oil, fry in the fried pan, and that's it. Now I'm gonna try a little bit. So good. Beautiful. Delicioso. We're just gonna try with the potato cooked. It should be ready. So the eggplant, they're ready, they're cooked. Everything looks good. You just put in a plate half eggplants or one full, whatever you like, and you actually eat with the potato together in a plate. And if you want to have it with the bread, the toasted bread, because we'll have some juice. Okay. What do we do? We'll cut them in half. So now you can take the toothpick out. They look yum. Potatoes, a little bit of juice. So the eggplant is cooked. Now we're going to try a bit. See this, the well, I called it the plug you put on there. You can eat that too after. Very good. Delicious. Delizioso, beautiful. Buon appetito!